Hi, I'm Dan from CAD Dimensions. Today we're going to be talking about when and why to do calibrations on your F123 printer. Calibrations tell the machine that the tips are in relation to the print surface and to each other. A calibration should be done anytime you replace the head or remove the head. Begin by selecting your tool screen, your tip calibration, and then select auto calibration. Prior to that, make sure there's no black tray in the machine. Select start, let it complete automatic tip calibration. After your automatic tip calibration is completed, insert the black tray, hit manual tip calibration, hit start, hit start, After calibration is complete, hit next, remove the tray, using your magnifying loupe or take a picture with your phone to examine the calibration pattern. On each side of the box are two parallel lines with a nearly parallel one in between. You'll want to identify where the support toolpath is correctly centered between the model toolpaths. Best practice is to start at 0 and move up and down until you'll find the offsets that you will need to work with, turning the print and working vertically as you go. I took a picture and I look at the calibration lines. Where I want the calibration line is in the center. On this particular one, on my X2 side, I'm at 2 thousandths in the center. I will adjust it to 2 thousandths. My Y is already at 0, so that is correct. Once you do your XY calibration, you want to do your Z calibration. You take off your center strip, use a set of calipers, and measure a few points on your test strip. It should read about 10 thousandths. This particular one is at 9 thousandths. I will adjust it here to 9 thousandths. Once that is completed, I hit apply. Your calibrations are complete.